Okay, guys, yesterday I dropped three major signals within the Telegram channel, and I also did videos on them right here on this particular platform. Okay, and of course, out of the three major signals, only two were activated. Okay, the other one was not activated, and we're going to be checking them out one after the other. But before then, this particular signal on Ganex 1200, we got this signal, I think 2 days ago, okay, when the market got to the resistance zone, okay, and we also analyzed this particular chart, and we said if it's not going to break out from here, then it will switch into a downtrend, and just the way we actually predicted, it happened that way. And right here happened to be our entry point, and at this point, the resistance zone was our stop loss. Okay, was where we put our stop loss. Okay, and of course, we had some highlighted TPs for ourselves. TP1 achieved, 2 achieved, 3 achieved, 4 achieved, and the fifth one had been achieved also. So, congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up this signal 2 days ago. Okay, and of course, it also switched back into an uptrend at this point and bought till this very moment, but I didn't drop this signal. So it is selling right now. I want to believe that it should get to somewhere here. It should get to somewhere around here. Okay, around this region. Okay, and it will start buying again. So I'm actually waiting for that to happen. Okay, so before I wanted to tap into this region first, before we can say we are jumping into it. Okay, so this is very, very important. So keep an eye on this. It will be retesting the support zone. And of course, if it does not break out below the support zone, then it's going to switch back into an uptrend and start buying again. Okay, so we are waiting for that to happen. Okay, so quickly. So now we will be checking out the three other signals which we dropped yesterday and see the outcome of that signal. But before we do that, guys, before we do that, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. The easiest way to get my attention is through WhatsApp. Okay, so that is it. So if you have been trying to reach out to me through the comment section, you can come to WhatsApp, then you will be attended to easily. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we have right here. So this is the first signal I dropped yesterday, GameX 999. So this is the first signal, again X999. We are on 15 minutes time frame. This actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and we first of all highlighted the resistance zone to see if it would break out from there. When we notice that it's not going to break out from there, so it switched into a downtrend at this point. Okay, you can see the color changing from yellow. The yellow color is an uptrend color, and the red color is a downtrend color, and this is coming from a resistance zone, a major resistance zone. So it switched from uptrend into a downtrend and gave out a sell signal at this point. So we decided to set up our trade using that. Okay, so we set our entry point at this point, then we still maintain the resistance zone for our stop loss. Okay, then we add some TPs highlighted for us right here, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so if you should notice, TP1 has been achieved already, TP2 has been achieved already, TP3 has been achieved already. Okay, and even TP4 has been achieved. So we are heading towards TP5. Okay, so and I believe this will also be achieved easily, but I will advise you to drag your stop loss down here, okay, to secure you, because you only have this order going on right now, the order 5 going on right now, and it's about achieving it. So it's either you close it or you wait for it to hit the TP, but adjust your stop loss to somewhere here, okay, so that in case anything happens, you will still close your trade in profit. Okay, so that is it. That is a good one for us right there. So I'm really happy we are able to achieve this together. Okay, Now let's check out the second signal. The second signal happened to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 also on 15 minutes time frame. This also started a downtrend after getting to this resistance zone. But because it has got into this region first and it pulled back from there, so we want to be sure if it's really going to sell this time around. So we decided to place an order below that region so that it will not give a fake entry and pull back right from there totally in case it breaks out above the resistance zone, okay, so that we do not have to lose any amount of money. So based on that, we decided to set our entry point just below that region, okay, just below that region. So we had our entry point at this spot, okay? And of course, we decided to bring down our stop loss from the resistance zone to this region, okay? And so that it will not be too far from the entry point. Then we have some highlighted TPs, TP1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we have the fifth TP, just the way we are saying it. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. It is yet to achieve TP5. Okay, it pulled back at the moment. So we want to believe that it will still go back down and achieve TP5. However, this is your stop loss that is here is no longer useful for you around here again. This is now the time for you to secure your profits. Okay, so drag it down to somewhere here to secure your profits. Okay, so that is it. So because you only have one order going on right now. Okay, so that is it. So in case the market is going to switch back into an uptrend, it will close that single order in profit. Okay, so that is how you manage your trade. So the next asset which you'll be checking out is going to be Paynex 1200. So congratulations on those of you that also picked up this particular signal. This signal is this asset is a highly volatile asset. Okay, so you should have made a lot of profit already. So the third signal is Paynex 1200. So as you can see, this got to the resistance zone at this point. We highlighted the resistance zone and we noticed that this was playing around there for a while. So we realized that okay, probably it's finding it difficult to break out above this resistance zone. So we decided to put our entry point at this point because we want it to come below this before we can say it's going to sell. Okay, so but as you can see, it did not activate the entry point. Okay, the entry point was not triggered. Okay, so we didn't lose any money here and we did not make any profits here. Okay, so I think that's a very good one. So it just played around here and went back to break out above the resistance zone to buy more. Okay, but till it got to this region before trying to go back down again. Okay, so we are still having our eyes on it. We are still having our eyes on it. So it's playing within this region. Let's see if it will break out below it. If it breaks out below it, maybe it will activate this and even sell more. Okay, but if it does not, it will go back up again and keep on buying. Okay, so that is it, guys. So we were able to achieve this kind of results using the same strategy, which I believe if you truly understand how the strategy works and you are able to perfect your skills on it, then definitely you are most likely to be making profits like this on daily basis. It is as simple as that. So that is it. So the strategy is simple. It is just called trend trading strategy. Just follow the trend. Okay. Follow the signal that supports the trend. If it is on uptrend, then the only thing you should look out for is a buy signal. Okay. If it is on downtrend, then the only thing you should look out for is a sell signal. And if you should notice, if it is on uptrend, make sure you pick up your signal from the support zone because that is where our uptrend usually starts from. And if it is on downtrend, pick up your signal from the resistance zone. Okay, that is where we usually have the signal for downtrend. Okay, so that is it, except if there is a breakout. Okay, that is it. So you should be able to identify the trend. You should be able to know when the trend is switching from one trend to another. You should be able to identify your zones, that is the support and resistance zone. Then you should know your breakouts also. Okay, then you should know how to set up your trades. These are the things that you need to put in place. Once you are able to perfect all these things, then you are most likely to be making profit on daily basis. I will be stopping right here. There will be more signals within the Telegram channel, so you can join the Telegram channel if you are not a member at the moment. The link is going to be within the description box, or you check the pin down message, so it will be easy for you to have access to it. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.